Alliance Française French Cultural Center was the venue where WWF Pakistan had exposed 62 works of wildlife photographers showing the rich biodiversity of the country. Speaking on the occasion, Hamera Aisha, manager WWF Pakistan, said,
This exhibition is, as you have seen, is basically a great opportunity to raise awareness on the importance of saving wildlife, specifically, in Pakistan's context. So we just thought to take the idea of, bringing in pictures of some incredible and charismatic species from all around the world to provide this option to people to just look at them and, to learn more about them, the kind of threats they face. And this was also an opportunity for us to, to just meet with people in Karachi and to make them a part of the efforts which WWF Pakistan is implementing for a long time, because per se all those species are separated by borders, and many species are maybe a large ranging species, which means maybe one species is found in many different countries, but then they share many problems together, and in many cases some of the problems are the ones which are created by people. So one way where this initiative is helping to raise awareness is also basically helping us to take pledge from people to make sure that they contribute and they play their role for biodiversity and wildlife conservation in specific in Pakistan. So fundraising is just the slightest part of it, because the amount is very small, but this is again to contribute to the gestures of showing your contribution and your dedication to wildlife conservation. So all the small proceedings which might be coming from this initiatives, which be supporting to the online conservation efforts of our wildlife, especially snow leopards in Pakistan. But the broader objective of this initiative for sure is to raise awareness and to engage people with our efforts. Are aware of WWF Pakistan. In fact, I think I would agree to the point that people are not generally aware of the importance of environmental protection and biodiversity. So WWF Pakistan has been here since a long time. We are working in Pakistan since the year 1970, and we carry a big portfolio. Our conservation objectives and priorities follows all the international goals that WWF as an organization covers all over Pakistan. So we have our projects focusing on the conservation of wildlife per se. Snow leopard is one of the species which we are known for. Indus river dolphin is a species we are known for.